Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Gagan, and today I am going to show you a PPT on topic that is time management. But before starting, I want to tell you a fact. A study shows every person in this world, not you, every person in this world wasting his 2 hours daily. Don't you think it's a big number? Because it becomes 30 days in a year. And I have a question for you. How many old are you? So let's suppose he is 15 also. So if we calculate, he almost wasted his 420 hours in a day. So don't you think it is a big number?
Very big.
So today I am going to tell you exactly how to get that time back. So let's start our PPT. You can see behind me. The first is prioritize your plans. You don't have to see this PPT. I will tell you everything. I will explain you everything. You just have to look at my eyes. So first we have start from the 1, 3, 4 rules. Have anyone know about it? No, so I will tell you about it. You have to divide your works into in 3 ways. First is big work, 3 medium work, and 5 small works. This will this will increase your productivity towards your work. So I will ask you some questions. You just have to answer it quickly, and please be concentrated. I will ask you random questions. So what is your big work for today? Okay, what's your big work for today? One big work. Early morning. Oh, sorry. Wake up early morning. Okay, sir. What is your 3 medium work for today?
Coming here and
Yes.
teaching the student. After that, second work is to take a tuition class. And third, in the evening, watching TV for an hour.
Yeah, you can tell me what is his first big work? What is your 5 small works for today? Yeah. कोई भी बताओ. Anybody can tell. So I think now you can know your know how lazy are you. So if you are facing any problem in this, you can use this method. This is we call use the Eisenhower matrix. This means you can divide your works into 3 ways: urgent, important, and non urgent. So you can, if you are face difficulty in this, so you can use this. So now we have time blocking. Time blocking means you have to work at a specific time. So if you have similar work, so you have to do that work at the same time. This will consume less time and gives you focus and consistency in this works. So now we move on for the next slide. So my second point is focus and elimination. So as I said you don't have to look at this. I will tell you everything. So as you can see, we all have when we work in 3 hours consistently, then we burn out or feel overwhelmed. So I have a solution for this. We have some tricks you can use in your daily life. This will surely definitely helps you to manage your time. So when you have to start any work, you have to work on it only for 25 minutes. After that, you can take a 5 minutes break. This will increase your focus and consistency. And this 5 minutes, you don't have to use your phone, don't have to go outside because after this you will be distracted and don't want to do anything. And the other is digital detox blocking. So that I have already told you कि everyone has wasted his two everyone have wasted his 2 hour daily in disturbance. So in my opinion, this disturbance is only the phone. So can you tell me your screen time first? Ma'am, what is your screen time?
How much time do you spend with your mobile screen?
It's very less, but your time. Any number, any random number you can say. Yes, we can consider this also. So if we are using a phone, we have to schedule a time when we can check the notifications and the latest news we want to get because this will also increase our knowledge and this is also necessary for our life. So we have to schedule our time for checking the social media. So to oh, बाहर निकलने के लिए
come out.
to come out through the social media distraction. And second, third is single tasking. You have to do only single task at a time, because when you do multitasking, this will oh this will down
Decrease.
this will decrease your efficiency from 40%, and you have to work on a single particular work on at a time. And third is set hard boundaries. When you are doing anything, you have to know how to say no. When your mother asks you to work and you are studying, you have to say no, because I want to study, I want to be a good person in my life. So now the third is build some habits and protect your energy. So there are some habits you can use in your life, and I think you all have to all must have to use this. First is morning routine. You wake up, just write your 3 words for today, and don't use 30 minutes phone, because this will decrease your focus for whole day and be hydrated. And in evening you have to review all these tasks you have written and how many of this you done. And don't use phone before sleeping for 1 hour, because this will also will affect your life, you can say. And there are some energy management tips also you can see behind me. You can apply this in for a healthy life. Like dehydrate always, take short breaks of 90 minutes, eating brain friendly fruits like nuts, greens, berries, micro meditation for 5 minutes. You can also do meditation and batch lower energy tasks in your afternoon slump. Celebrate small wins, because this will always motivates you. So what you all have to do today, go at your home, write your 3 tasks for today and do them. Because you don't need time, you just need a better system. Thank you.